Arsenal 0.
Wow.
1 goal in 6 games for Arsenal. Liverpool 2. 15 shots in the first half, 0 goals. Liverpool bring on 2 kids. Reece Nelson gets hooked when he was our best attacker. Chance after chance after chance after chance squandered and wasted, not only from us, but also from Liverpool. Hence why Man City are going to walk the title again. But yet again, we have exited another cup competition, another trophy in the bin. That's now 1 out of 16 available for this manager since he's been here that he's actually achieved. And he's been nearly everyone who achieved it. Make sure you sub to Arsenal History and More. The link will be in the title if I can squeeze it in. Failing that, it is in the description. Cram the likes up, sub to me, sub to Lee Reacts. Jez, again, booze at full time, Jez. Is the tide turning? How did you see that game today and what are your thoughts, mate?
Absolutely shocking, man. Another FA Cup gone. You, Lee, know how much I love that FA Cup. Right. When I saw that team line up, I thought, oh, dear God. Shocking. Mate, I'm heartbroken again. I'll tell you how bad I felt, Lee. Right? Seriously bad about it. I broke my favourite bloody wine glass yesterday, and this one I nearly smashed against the bloody door today. That's how bad and angry I feel about this sodding football club right now. Yeah, Mikel Arteta, you are done and dusted. Once again, you've let us down. It's a disgrace. Absolute bloody disgrace, man. And I'm sorry to be on a rant on your channel, Lee, but it is an absolute shit show, man. Seriously, that team is a pile of crap. We have not. Tell me, Lee, please, dear God, somebody tell me, right? When we make substitutions like we did today, it's the same for the same. Take off Reece Nelson, bring on Martinelli. Why not make a bloody change into the mid? Why not pop, right? Bring on Trossard for Maitland-Niles. For Reece Nelson, right? Yeah, I always go to Maitland-Niles. Why not? Why not change Havertz off, right? Yeah, and move Martinelli into number 9. Give him a chance there. It's the same bullshit, Lee, every sodding week. And it's so readable. Arteta read that from the manual today. Sorry, I mean Klopp. I'm so angry, Lee. I'm so angry. He does it every single sodding time. He doesn't have the brain ability to actually make a decision in a different way. And yet again, he waits for Klopp to make substitutions. Right? And then what is the point in bringing on Trossard at that time of the game? The game's dead.
And Smith Rowe, he brings him on with what, 5 minutes to go? What's the point?
What is the point, man?
What is the point? On real talk, what is the point? Yeah, Kivior played at left back against Fulham last weekend. Yeah, got hooked at half time. What's your reward? Oh, start against Liverpool, mate. Yeah, like, come on, what are we doing here, mate? Yeah, what are we doing here? I had people in the chat tonight saying, like rival fans saying, Rice has killed you. Like, he, as good as he's been, he's killed the tempo, he's killed the balance. No, he ain't. Rice has been very good, yeah, but Rice can't be a one-man midfield, Jez.
No.
Yeah, he's covering for everyone. Zinchenko inverting, he's covering for his mess ups. He's covering for the bozos behind them. It's Saliba tonight, by the way.
Shocking.
Yeah. That guy got so lucky we didn't concede off a couple of his things. But anyway, we'll do that in player ratings later. Right? He's covering for 29 next to him. He's covering for Jorginho. Yeah, maybe not just so much tonight, but I'm talking over the season. Yeah. Declan Rice is a very good footballer, but a very limited footballer. Yeah. But he's not a number 6. He's a number 8 and needs a Thomas Partey or a Rodri next to him, which then allows Odegaard and so on and so forth on the wings. But again, this manager, 1 win in 7, mate. That's his worst, apparently. I'm not. Leave it in the chat. Leave it in the comments. Somebody put it in my chat earlier and said 1 win in 7 is the worst he's had. I'm not 100% sure that's correct. Yeah, since he's been here, because we went through that December 2020, mate. Yeah, when we were 15th for 5 games. But maybe it is because we didn't have any cup competitions at that point. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But either way, the tide is turning, Jez. Kenny was at the game. One of my pals was at the game. Right, and they both said the boos were loud. There's a lot of people booing. There's a lot of people that have been forcing this and hoping, but they're very angry and upset. Again, we have thrown a cup in the bin. That was my dad texted me and said, "Well, that's your season over." My dad's not invested in football like we are. Yeah, he used to be. My mum got pregnant with me, and he gave it all up. Yeah, he used to go home and away and blah blah blah. Yeah, he used to be bang on it back in the 80s and that. Yeah, big up my old man. Right, but he said, that's enough of that. He texted and said, yeah, what is Bukayo Saka still on the pitch for? Yeah, the guy's no good, mate. Yeah, why is Reece Nelson getting subbed? Yeah, the process is done. He's ruining your club, he said. Yeah, this is my dad that watches football. He sees the results. And obviously, I've got a channel, so he'll watch it every now and again and whatever, and he'll see what's going on. If he can see it, rivals can see it, and the wide awake club within Arsenal can see it, us, i.e. us, and most of the people that watch this channel that are Arsenal fans, right? Then why can't anyone else? Why? Because they're lying. They're lying, Jez. Yeah? Our next game is Crystal Palace.
Yep.
Didn't they stink their way to a draw at the Etihad?
Oh,
yeah. Who we got after that? Yeah, who we got after that? Yeah, we got Liverpool again, didn't we?
yeah. And then we've not shortly after that, man, we got Porto. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
This season's done. Finito.
Again. And I'm you know, I mean, I had excuse me, I had to apologise to the host that I did a watch along on because I went into a massive meltdown. Massive, huge. You know, I'm usually quite a calm character, but when it comes to, that's why I don't do watch-alongs, because I get too engrossed, I get too emotional. And I did today. I went massively wrong. Right, Lee? Because I'm Arsenal. Yeah, I'm bloody Arsenal. That thing there, the shit badge, yeah, the one behind me is the real club. Yeah, and I'm fed up with seeing this absolute nonsensical bullshit from this manager. He has, as the legend himself once said, Claude, rest in peace, my friend. Yeah, it's time to bloody go. Get out now. People are saying, oh, it's the wrong time to change the manager. Well, if we want to get anything out of this sodding season, get him out and get a proper manager in. And then people have said to me, oh, well, nobody's going to come. I'm sorry, Lee, but if you want to pay the sodding money, they'll come. I said on the stream last night, any footballer you want, right, they're all prostitutes. Because if you want the money, they want the money. That's all they care about. They want money. Yeah, you pay their sodding money, they'll come. Will they come for this manager? I doubt it, because he's an absolute arsewipe prick. And I've had enough of it now. I've seen this for way too long. 4 sodding bloody years, Lee. 4 years. Yeah. And we've done shit. And I'm sorry I'm getting upset, but I'm
don't say it out, Jez. Mate, honestly, I totally agree with you, Jez. Jez, how many FA Cups have you seen in your lifetime? Because I've seen Arsenal win 9. So you must have seen maybe 10? 11. There you go. 11 out of 14. I've seen 9. Yeah, 9. This guy's thrown it in the bin again. The only reason this guy is still in a job is because he saved. Well, he didn't save. He just got here and got everyone emotional, and then all the PR fell through from there because he won an FA Cup. Yeah, it's embarrassing, mate. Yeah, how dare you? How dare you? And he's so predictable. He waits till Liverpool, not just Liverpool, but every team makes two subs, 3 subs, 4 subs before him. Why? Because he don't rate that bench. Then he'll make a sub, and it's pretty much like for like, which it was. Reece off, Martinelli on. Then he waits for a goal to go in, and I called it on the watch along. Matty and all are the same. Eddie's coming straight on. Then he takes Jorginho off. Then 5 minutes from the end, we'll just throw every attacking player on. Jez, we could do a better job than that. Come on, let's be real.
It's mate. I swear, Lee. I swear to God. You're so right. Yeah. When he brought on Martinelli, right, for Reece Nelson, I said on the watch log, the next substitution will be, it will be Nketiah. And what happened? It was Nketiah. If I can see it, you can see it. Everybody in your watch along can bloody see it, right? Do you not think Klopp can see that? What did Klopp do?
He was laughing. He threw on 2 kids from the academy.
Yes, he threw on some kids.
But don't worry. When we played them up there, he waterlogged the pitch. Did you see the sprinklers at half time at the Emirates? Yeah, this is ridiculous. Listen, we're going to do player ratings shortly. I appreciate the time, Jez. I appreciate the passion. Right, and don't worry, mate. The end is 9, mate. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel, Arsenal History and More. If I can squeeze it in the title, I will. If not, it'll be in the description. Matty's coming up next. Check out Kenny. Check out my fan cam. And player ratings will be coming shortly. We're out of here. Sack him. Arteta out.
Arteta out, you prick. You're back to prick.